Good afternoon, everybody. Potato pot. It has been ravaged by little green fucking caterpillars. Excuse my French. I just found another one right there. They have completely wrecked and ravaged all these pots that I planted in February, so I am not going to continue. See, look at that. They've completely eaten that stalk. And it's starting to grow weeds. I am not going to continue with this purely because I think A, there's nothing in there, B, we've got some wet weather coming, and excuse the wind factor noise today because it is a nice solidly wet day. We just caught a break in the rain. I'm in my dressing gown actually, doing the gardening in my dressing gown. What? I'm sure I'm not the only one that does that. Anyway, I don't expect anything in this pot at all. It's been sitting in the shade for the past 4 months, and the last pot I emptied out, I didn't film that one. There was just nothing in it, just pint-sized little potatoes like that. So I'm probably expecting that for this pot here too. Can't feel any on the side, so let's just harvest it and see. If I get anything, I get anything, because it's a low pay week this week, and it's just be nice to have a bit of something from the garden. Yeah. You open the pot up and it just falls apart. You know. Okay, well, that's something. You know that these were tiny seed potatoes too, so from last year's crop. Yeah, there's not going to be much in this one. That's okay. It's pretty much expected that. That could be tonight's tea anyway. So I might go and get that other pot, because otherwise if all my pots are going to be this size, then it's going to be a complete waste of time. So I do have other... something eating that. Ew. I do have other pots going at the moment at the top there, which I'll show you in the garden update that I'll do later. I thought I'd do it now because I'm going to reuse all this dirt when I can find a sunny day. I'm going to reuse all this dirt to put in the garden beds at the top there. Well, it's not really a garden bed, it's just replacing sand with soil, and it's a big job, and I've been waiting for the wet weather to come in so I can dig the sand out easily. I haven't seen any worms, so I won't be some more there. I could have probably left them in about for another 6 months and they would probably be the size of baking potatoes, but that's 4 months worth of growth. So what to do, you know, if you know that it's got little bugs in it, if you know that your pots aren't doing very well, what's the protocol? What should you do, you know? And I mean, they've been wrecked and ravaged by caterpillars, and okay, it's not a sign of bad potatoes, but